welcome to Drona Edu. Today I am going to explain about Drona Edu student app. For that, go for Play Store, click on Drona Edu. Enter Drona Edu and click on install. So once after successful installation, click on open. Then you'll get a welcome page of Drona Edu. After that, you need to click on login. Here first you need to register as a student, then only you can log into Drona Edu student app. So go for register here, click on it. Then you will get a registration screen of Drona Edu. So here you need to select the language and the grade. Select the language and select the grade, then click on next. Enter your phone number for registration, then click on send OTP. The OTP will be sent to your register mobile number. You need to enter that 4-digit OTP here. So once after entering the OTP, you'll get a registration. You need to create your account. You need to enter your name, that is student name, and your location. After entering all the details, if you have any referral, you need to click on S and you need to enter the referral code. If you are not having any referral, click on no and click on register. So once after registering, the credentials, that is email ID and the password will be shared to your register mail ID and to your phone number like this. And after successful registration, you can log in through email address or password, or you can log in through your mobile number. Then you'll automatically log into your register screen. Once after successful login, you'll get into the dashboard of student. Here it is showing upgrade your pack. If you are not a Prime student, you need to upgrade your pack before viewing the Prime videos of Drona Edu. So here we have given so many free videos. It is more than 100 free videos that we have given in Drona Edu app. You can click on more and you can view the videos. So here the videos, this all is free and you can view this video. Then going for the dashboard, the main menu. Here the premium videos are there. If you click on that, it will show a pop-up that you need to upgrade your pack. So then I'm going for menu. It is, if you want to upgrade your pack from free stream to mainstream, then you need to click on upgrade pack. Here you need to click on purchase. So once you click on purchase, it will be redirected to the payment gateway. You can use all the things. We have given card payment, UPI payment, even net banking is there. Even you can pay from your wallet. If you click on UPI payment, you need to enter your UPI code. So once after entering your UPI code, Pay asking for your request to pay 309 rupees. You need to click on accept there, then the pack will be upgraded here. Once after successful payment, it will show the pop-up message that your payment has been received and the pack has been upgraded. Here you can access to the premium videos once you have upgraded the pack. Here the premium videos which is available. And next going for next menu. Here the teachers. Here it will list all the teachers of Drona Edu and you can contact them. The mail IDs will be mentioned there and you have live chat also. You can click on live chat and you can chat with our teachers. E-textbooks will be available for the particular chapter. Go live. Here the go live option is for live classes. If any live classes is being scheduled by the teachers or the faculties of Drona Edu, it will be listed here and you can attend the live classes on the particular date and time. It will be mentioned here. And the upcoming classes means they have been scheduled the classes. For example, if it is tomorrow morning we have any classes, that has been already listed here in the upcoming classes and you can go and check every day to view the live classes which is taken by Drona Edu faculties. Next, going for the completed live classes. Here all the classes has been completed by our faculties and the recorded videos of live class has been loaded here and you can click on that button and you can view the videos. Here you'll get inside the player and live classes will be viewed by the students. These are the Drona live classes. Okay, next menu is teachers. In teachers menu, it will list the Drona teachers, Drona faculty members. Here you can directly contact the teachers by here we have mentioned the mail ID. You can ping to particular teacher if you have any doubts in their subjects. They'll respond to you within 24 hours. Next, going for quiz module. Here the quiz has been uploaded by our faculties and you can answer the quiz. For each subject the quiz has been uploaded and you need to click on the particular subject. You need to attend the quiz, and end of the result, after attending the quiz you will get a result, how much you have answered, how much is correct and how much is wrong. That also will be viewed in the quiz module. Next, going for the learning analytics. Learning analytics means how much subjects that you have learned in Drona Edu app. For example, yesterday you have used some videos of Drona Edu of particular subject, and that will be listed in overall statistics. How many subjects that you have, how many chapters you have covered, and how many is pending. You will get to know your performance report and your progress report. This can be viewed by the parents for the students how much they have learned from Drona Edu app. Here it will show the test report. For example, I showed you the quiz 1. So if you attend any quiz of the particular chapter, how many attempts that you have done and how much your test performance in that particular quiz. That will be calculated in overall test report. If you continue learning, here it will show all the things how much you have learned from Drona Edu app. This is an overall performance report of particular student. Here are the badges. The badges is if you have attend the quiz and you have win any badges, that will be stored here in your dashboard. Next, going for next menu is change password. If you want to change password of your Drona Edu, you can change. And live chat support. Here we give 24/7 live chat support with your team, and you can chat through WhatsApp. You can click on WhatsApp and it will go to WhatsApp and you need to enter your query. After entering your query, our supporting team will respond to you within 24 hours. If you want to refer your friends this Drona Edu app, please do refer by clicking on refer a friend. If you click on refer a friend, it will be shared through your social media to all your friends and you can refer to your friends. If you want to change the app language to Kannada or Hindi, you can click on the particular language and you can change. See, all the language things has been changed to Kannada. If you click on any other language, for that it will be changed. Okay, here the app language change option is also available for Kannada medium students. Next, go for donate. This donate option is given to help the poor students. If you donate here, we will give access to poor students to get the access of Drona Edu, premium access. So here, if you donate for a student, it is not for activation. For activation, you need to click on upgrade pack, not for donate. Okay. If you click on donate and make a payment, it will be given for other poor students who are in need for Drona Edu app. We'll give a premium access for those students. It is not an upgrade pack. If you want to upgrade your premium access for the first time when you log in, to get the premium access of Drona Edu, you need to click on upgrade pack, not on donate. If you are willing to donate for other students, you need to click on donate and you need to enter your details and phone number, then click on donate. It will redirect to your payment gateway and make the payment. So the donation will be happen to other students. Next, going for about us. If you click on about us, Drona Edu app, you can know about Drona education. So then going for need help. If you need any help, you can directly chat here and it will be resolved within 24 hours. So these are the menus that we have in Drona Edu student app. And here we have my courses. My courses means if here you will get a study material, that is e-textbooks of particular chapter and a particular subject. If you click on particular subject, if you enter inside for the particular subjects, you will get a e-textbooks like this. The PDF files. You can read here. These are the e-textbooks, not the notes. So here we have given previous question paper options. Here the question papers will be uploaded by our faculties and you can leave the question paper of particular subject and the particular chapter. Next, going for e-textbooks. Here the textbooks which is prepared by our faculties, not the normal textbook. It is a note which is given to you. It will be available here. You need to click on particular subjects and then you will get a particular chapter notes in e-textbooks option. Next, here it is your profile. You can change the language. If you have taken a drona idea for 9th standard, if you want to upgrade your pack for 10th standard, then you need to click on change grade and you need to select the grade and submit. Once you click on submit, here the grade will be changed and again you need to make a payment. So don't try, just for curiosity. Here if you change the grade, again you need to upgrade your pack and we can't help you out with this. And if you want to change the language of this, means if you are if you have taken English medium, if you want to learn the Kannada medium subject, click on Kannada medium and submit. And here the videos will be displayed for the Kannada medium and you can change again if you want to learn for English medium. Here we have given option. You can change the language. It is for free. And my pack list. Here the pack list of you, how much you pay. For example, next if you are in 9th standard and you want to upgrade for the 10th standard, then your pack list will be displayed here. And any special courses which is offered by Drona Edu, if you take that pack list will be displayed in my pack list. These are the terms and conditions of Drona Edu. You can view here and you can view the Drona Edu terms and conditions. Next, going forward to privacy policy. Here the policies of Drona Edu will be listed. You can view once. And these are the user profile. If you want to change anything in user profile, you need to click on the settings part here. And you need to enable your location. You need to select you need to fill your date of birth, location and gender. So once after filling all the details, you need to click on update. Your profile details will be updated. So these are the things in Drona Edu app. Please do refer to your friends by clicking on share with friends. I hope you understand how to use Drona Edu student app.